Hey y'all, I'm Spencer Maheu with LATICRETE International, coming to you from my home office in Connecticut, and I'm very excited to introduce you to our Rapid Recovery campaign. Now, more than ever, speed and a safe return to work is required to help all of us rebound from the challenges caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. In construction, compressed schedules and strictly controlled job site access require finishing jobs faster and quite often with less manpower than ever before. So you can maybe speed things up by cutting corners and working harder, but the best and safest way to get there is to work smarter. And LATICRETE's here to help. We have rapid curing versions of most of the products you know and love and are using today, which help accelerate installation steps, and multifunction products that eliminate steps altogether. These products work double time so you don't have to, helping you meet tight turnaround time requirements that get you onto the next step of installation and onto the next job. There are a few products and systems I would like to highlight that can really take your rapid recovery to the next level. Let's talk SUPERCAP and the next generation slab. For larger self-leveling jobs, our SUPERCAP mobile blending units can deliver your flat floor 2 to 3 times faster than small bag, small pump mixing. We also have preformed shower systems and lightweight tile-ready waterproof wallboard, which can save you days on your shower installation versus the traditional mortar bed with the liquid waterproofing method. Finally, let's talk multifunction products that can eliminate installation steps. For anti-fracture and sound control installations, check out the 125 Trimax, which is a 3-in-1 product. And also, we can't forget our world's first Vapor Band Primer ER. This is a moisture mitigation product that is also a primer. No other manufacturer has these two functions in one product. And oh, by the way, it's a rapid curing product. These multifunction products save you hours, even days on your installations. These are just a few examples. From substrate preparation and self-leveling underlayments and overlayments, sound and crack isolation and waterproofing, to stone and tile adhesives and grouts, and even decorative resinous coatings. LATICRETE has the broadest range of installation accelerating products in the industry. So come check us out at www.laticrete.com/rapid recovery. LATICRETE is a privately owned American company with world-class products, technical, and sales service for over 65 years, and we look forward to seeing you on the road to rapid recovery.